Hello and welcome to 2024. I am starting every morning in 2024 by taking care of my skin. I want to do this morning and night. So I'm starting with a serum, a moisturizer, and an eye cream. I really need to get into a better routine of taking care of myself. Also, I have a book goal of 21 books this year. I know that's not a crazy amount, but for me, I feel like 21 books is a lot. So this is my next one on the list. And I just read the guest list, which was pretty good. It started off slow, but it got a lot better. And then this one right here, The Silent Patient, was so good. I would definitely recommend reading this one. Every morning, I start by just picking up the kitchen. I usually like to do the dishes the night before. I hate when there's any dishes in the sink. And you guys know I had an obsession with like cleaning my sink and making it smell like the strongest possible cleaning lemon chemicals. And you know, that's still me. So we're taking that into 2024 with a clean sink and clean countertops. So I do that the night before, but here I'm just picking up. I do some light vacuuming because there's crumbs every single day. With a toddler, there is crumbs. You will find Cheez-Its and little cereal bar crumbs, Pirate's booty. Oh, it's everywhere. It is everywhere. So I'm just vacuuming this up. I do want to take care of this cabinet that's been bothering me. It's just kind of like a cluttered mess at this point. There's formula in there and some art supplies, and I'm keeping it kind of the same concept as a cabinet. We never had cabinet space in the barn to do this, so it's nice to have so many different cabinets. So this one, I'm just putting the formula back in there and I'm just organizing it a little bit. It's kind of just like a baby and toddler cabinet. We did take a little break to do some coloring, which we've been doing every single day. And then Oakley loves helping me with things, so he's going to help me go through my makeup bag. I just felt like I needed to go through it because I have a lot of like older makeup. I actually want to exchange some of this makeup out for like newer makeup, so I'm not using the same exact makeup every single day. But we are going to go through it and just quickly put two different piles together, the things that I am keeping and then things that are kind of old, or some things I have just like a random cap here. So we're going to put a trash pile together and then we're going to keep some things that are a little bit neater. And now I got a Zara haul. So Zara was having a sale. They probably still have this sale going on, but look at how cute this sweater is. I can't even stand it. I'm hoping Oakley fits in it. I got a size 3-4 and this Mickey sweatshirt and then these sweatpants. Like, I can't stand it. I hope they all fit him next year. If not, that would suck. But I also got a couple of things for Freya. I got this and this little cutie one. My favorite one is the next sweater that I'm going to show you. I could throw up looking at this. This is so freaking cute. So I got those from Zara. The sale's probably still going on. And now Oakley is taking his nap, so I'm just going to clean up. I usually clean up all of the other rooms while he naps. I do laundry. I do a lot of folding and putting things away. Every day is like a reset, and it's like I catch up just to do the same thing every day. I'm sure everyone feels that way when they're cleaning their home and doing laundry. The laundry is nonstop. It's crazy. I do one load a day. I have to. I have no other choice. So I'm just putting some clothes away here. I want to figure out what I want to do with her walls because it does seem very plain Jane. And I've said this before, but I want to add a lot of character into this house. This is not our forever home, but I want to add some character into this house to make it feel more of a home. So these are just her clothes that I put away for her. And she is starting to try to roll. She does not roll on her tummy yet, but she's trying to flip, and I'm just trying to encourage it with looking at a book. She's the freaking cutest. I literally can't stand her face. She's so sweet. So we practice some floor time and trying to roll over. Hopefully she will do that soon because she really wants to. Okay, moving on to my bedroom. As you guys might know if you follow me on my Instagram, I just got this new bed frame. I got this from Amazon. I'll link it down below because a lot of you asked me for the link. I love this Canopy Bed. It's so pretty. I think I want to do drapes on the sides of it on each corner. And then this pillow situation, wow. If you guys follow me on Instagram, It's been a whole thing. I only had 2 pillows originally. Then I got 2 more king pillows because a lot of you were like, get the king pillows. So I did. Then a few of you were like, get the Euro pillows. So I did. I got the Euro pillows, but I only got 2. I feel like I need to get a third one. And then I got these pillowcases to go on the Euro pillows. You'll see that in a second. And they just did not match. They looked a little bit different on Amazon. And then when I got them in person, I was like, oh, I just don't like this gray. But anyways, I am going to do some kind of paneling on the back side of the wall, and we're going to paint this wall. I don't know exactly what color paint, but I think it'll be fun to pick out a color. So I'm just straightening up. I have to make my bed every day and clear the bottles, clear my Stanley cup. I have to make my bed and like prepare it for the night. Oh, those are the pillowcases. Because if I don't prepare it for the night, I don't know, it just feels very unorganized and like, ugh, it drives me crazy. So I have to make my bed, make it all nice looking, but this is what we're working with so far. Moving on to this section, I'm going to take some of my Christmas decor down. So I just have this little garland that I wrapped around the Keurig. I'm still obsessed with my green Keurig. I never will not be obsessed with this Keurig. There's something about the color green. It's been my favorite for a really long time. I do love pink too, but a dark green I love. And now I'm going to go through my mugs, and I'm just going to take some of my Christmas mugs and I'm going to put it on the 3rd shelf just because they're more seasonal mugs. So I'm going to move some of them up, and then I'm going to move some other ones down. And I like to do this, obviously, like for every season, I have different ones. I have ones for like Valentine's Day, and I have Halloween ones. I'm just moving my pumpkin mug up because I forgot to do that one. And I do have quite the mug collection, but if you guys are obsessed with mugs like me, there is nothing wrong with that, okay? Just buy another mug. Who cares, right? I use every single one, and I love it. It makes me happy. So if I'm going to buy 10 more mugs, I'm going to buy them. Let me know in the comments down below how many cups of coffee you have a day, and what's your favorite coffee at home to make? I'm curious. Is it an espresso? Do you do a Keurig? I want to know. Okay, moving on to this mirror. I am taking my green garland down. I love this garland. I got it from Amazon. It was really pretty. And this mirror is from Anthropologie. I had a few messages about it on my Instagram. Anthropologie, but it is not the infamous Anthropologie mirror. It is called Mila. It's really, really pretty. I love my mirror. I'm obsessed with it. It is not a mirror that you hang on the wall. It leans on the wall, but don't you worry. Don't you worry. It is not going to fall on my toddler because it is mounted on the back. So in case you were wondering, it is mounted on the sides. Okay, moving on to my Christmas tree. I'm just taking down the lights, and I'm going to take down the Christmas tree. This was a little bit too small of a tree for this area. It is 7.5 feet, which is a decent size, but next year we are going to get a 9-foot tree, and we'll move this one to upstairs. The more Christmas trees, the better. And did you guys know that that viral Home Depot Christmas tree went on sale for like $75? It is now sold out, but oh my God, if it comes back in stock, I need to get it because it was a really pretty tree. But for $500, oh no, you won't see me spending more than $200 on a Christmas tree. And usually I would keep my tree up a little bit longer, but I don't want to confuse Oakley into thinking that Christmas is like 4 months long. You know what I mean? So I just thought it would be better to take down the decorations because Santa's not coming anymore. So taking this down, I want to know what your resolutions are for 2024. I can't believe it's 2024. For me, my sister-in-law Megan told me a good one, and I kind of want to copy it. She said she wants to check in with people a little bit more, and I feel like that's a really good one. So I want to check in with friends and family a little bit more and ask them more about their lives and what's going on. I also want to read 21 books, like I told you guys. So that's one of them. I want to not be on my phone. Me and Scott, I don't want to be on our phone during dinner time. I want to just have a conversation instead of having our phones out. So that's one. And then 2 nights a week, I do not want to be on my phone after 7 p.m. I want to read instead. I just love reading so much, and it just, when I'm in a funk, it puts me in a way better mood to start reading a book. Okay, so after I took the tree down, this place looked very sparse. Wow, I need something on the walls. My TV is actually pretty big, but you would never be able to tell because it just looks so small on that wall. But moving on to my room, I'm just picking up some things, some Christmas presents that I got. I want to film a beauty favorite soon because there has been some things that I've been obsessed with. And I don't sugarcoat things. If I don't like it, I don't talk about it. But if I like and love something, I'm going to tell you to go to the store right now. I'm a bad influence. I'm going to be honest. If you ask me if you should buy something, I will say yes automatically. So, I mean, if I love it, you know what I mean? I do have to do a couple of returns from Target. That was me putting the bag in my diaper bag because I got a foundation shade that was way too dark for me. Oh, this perfume I didn't like. I wanted to love that. I didn't. Ferrero Rocher is always a good choice. And then I've been loving this candle that I'm about to show you. I got it for Christmas. I'm obsessed with this candle. Cinnamon Spice Vanilla. Oh, love it. But yeah, I do want to do a beauty favorite soon on things that I'm like, you guys need it. I would tell you if you didn't need it, but you need it. So be on the lookout for that soon. I do kind of like doing these voiceover videos though. Let me know if you want to see more of these because I could just film all day and then show you. Oh my God, these games, whoa, they'll get you in trouble. Don't play them. I mean, maybe, but yikes at the same time. All right, so I'm actually keeping up my mini tree in my room for a little bit longer because I'm like, this is beautiful. It makes me happy. And if I took this down, look at how bare it would be. Again, have to add character and some kind of dimension. I don't know what we're doing with this room. It's still a mystery to me, but we're going to keep the Christmas tree up for now. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. I'm picking up a couple more things, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more. Let me know your 2024 resolutions, and I will see you all in my next one.